Well, we're out of the package. All right, let's check it out. Oggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from HEADSTAMP Publishing. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. HEADSTAMP Publishing. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, I got the main flap open. Let's continue here. All right. So you see it's well protected. Cardboard inserts and our main item here. Let's get this out of the way. No manifests, but here you can see here we have Vickers Guide, Heckler Koch, Volume 2. Let's see if I can take some of this glare off. So it's plastic wrapped. This I believe is the standard edition. Always there would be a signed little insert there. And you can see here some stock photography on the front cover, kind of the style throughout the book. This is kind of a blend between a coffee table reference style book, quite thick, quite heavy. And on the back here, you can see here more stock images, as well as the well-known proof stamping icons. You can see a website here, Motlake Publishing logo, and a barcode. Since I do intend to read this, I've gone ahead and removed the plastic. We have a dust cover. Some notes there. You can see the inside cover. Its embossed logo there. Well recessed into there. And the logo's on the back. Inner cover art or stock photography. Continuation of the dust cover there. More images. And just to give you a taste of what is in here, you can see here tons of pictures and accompanying text and the title pages and copyright information and credits at the end. That page does not appear to be numbered there. This one is 551. So, including this page, 552 pages. But just taking a very quick look at unboxing Vickers Guide, Heckler Koch. And available from two sources. Again, the Vickers Guide website, as well as HEADSTAMP Publishing. So feel free to check them out. Large variety of items at both locations. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.